Ngisacela umuntu ongangichazela lento yokukora igoli elilodwa. Ngicela umuntu ozongichazela ukuthi isukaphi lento yokukora igoli elilodwa. Every game thina siyazi ukuthi sokora igoli elilodwa bese kuphelile ngathi. Sidlala neStellenbosch namhlanje basidle 3 times in a row, 3 times. 3 times i-team eyodwa. Labantu bayahola. Bazokora igoli elilodwa, abantu abahola imali eshisiwe bazokora igoli elilodwa. Like umubuka iKaizer Chiefs understand. I really don't understand. That's ubuka ingane zase-crash dlala ibhola. Siyodlala nePirates manje bra ayeke lento mfethu. It's enough. Now seku-right. Senibukisa ngathi ke manje. Now ke manje senidecide ukubukisa ngama-fans. Shiya ukuthi anisafuna ukudlala. Anikushiyele ukuthi anisafuna ukudlala senibukisa ngama-fans manje. Ama-fans eKaizer Chiefs ane-passion ukudlula abadlali. Ama-fans eKaizer Chiefs ane-passion ukudlula abadlali. Yiwona anendaba neclub. Abadlali nje basegroundini abanendaba. They don't care. They don't care. Ubudliwa kanjani i-team eyodwa 3 times? Come on.
iKaizer Chiefs ikubonile ekwabona uSaul. Futhi ende bangikhuzile. Bathi ndoda musu kuba neconfidence kulabantu. Ngadazi inkani. Buka manje. Ngiyapeyinelwa. Kubhlungu. Angeke ngianalyze le game. Anginaso isikhathi sombhedo. Different game, same story. Chances created in the first half failed to penalize. I mean, uDupreez. Khona lethu belithola uDupreez la jumpise khona ibhola over the goalkeeper sekumele finish uDupreez wenza intando yakhe. Manenga amathubo lilebo they got opportunities. Oma boy they got opportunities. Same story, just a different game. Manje thina sawuthini ke? Ayikho into esingayisho. Anyways, on to the next one. Soweto Derby. We will be
We twerked. We twerked. Titus rocked up to FNB and made us twerk. I don't understand. 70 minutes. What were you guys doing? Ben Khalil Yusuf Cedric Kaze, 70 minutes. What on earth was that about? 4 subs, 4 changes, 70th minute. And you take off a proper number 10, plays the ball behind the lines, doesn't take 14 touches, plays an early ball, plays a well-weighted pass between the lines. You take him off. You bring on people playing for Instagram pictures. 2 seasons, I've been saying the same thing. 2 seasons saying the same thing. The game's at 1-1. It's a deadlock. There's a midfield battle. Things are happening. You take off 4 players. 4. Dupreez, you take him off. He's making runs behind the back. Should he have scored? Yes, he missed an early chance first up. But he's stretching the Stellenbosch defense still with those runs, irritating those guys. They're pulling his shirt. You take him off, and he won't even see the derby. You take off Chislett, as I said, a proper number 10 for once, refreshing number 10, keeps it simple, playing between the lines. I get it, he might be tired. You take him off. Silva, Silva you can take off because, Silva sometimes, as the game goes on, shaky. But, I assume you're saving him for the derby. Okay, you can take him off. Who else you guys take off? You take off Ngobo, who is in the thick of things in the midfield, battling. Yes, sometimes shaky on the ball, but there's still control of us in that midfield. You take him off. You bring on these other 4. I'm not going to actually mention the names. Bring on this other 4. As soon as I saw them come on, I knew it. Because why? You go back to the old Kaizer Chiefs, but you're expecting something different. We've had this Kaizer Chiefs for 3 seasons now. Nothing's been happening. So you can see you got a fresh new Kaizer Chiefs on in the first half. And these players aren't even playing to the derby again. I said they won't be at the derby, but you take them off. Okay. And then as the game goes on later, you take off Mabue. which I understand my boys needed for the derby, and that was my worry earlier today. I said play a B teams, just sacrifice this game so when we lose it. But no, you played a mix of A team. uMcCarthy, Kwenika. Will they have the same energy on Saturday? We'll wait and see. Pirates is rested a full week. They will be fresh and ready to run. Us on the other hand. But yeah, that is Kaizer Chiefs for you. And Amakosi, I repeat once again, I'm starting to sound like a broken record. Forget about the league. The only thing we can hope for this season is top 8.
Akhona into nobise ngathi kubethwa kweChiefs. Ndingavuka noma kuthiwa ndise ICU. Hello sisi. Ngikubuza ze-office eKaizer Chiefs ezo. Oh okay good. Yes, tell naye Tumelo Trom. Yes, speak person sabalandeli beOrlando Pirates ne president abalandeli beBhola Africa yonke jikelele. Every Africa. Shaba Stellenbosch, Shaba! We are very excitement. Up the Stellies lapha. Sorry? No, sisanza zonihleka sis. In fact, ndizoncoma. Ndingoma ntoni nibethiwe? No, sis, I love the Kaizer Chiefs you are becoming. Niba ilento siyaziyo ngoku niba iyo niyehla kancinci niphindela phaa kula position 9 we. Sorry? No sis andiniphoxi ndiyancoma uba I like the Kaizer Chiefs you are becoming. Ingathi la team ephaa ku number 9 ngeyiba nexhala ngokuniyeza ngokwendaweni yenu. Usekhona? We are very excitement. Mhlanaze neva kuthiwa ndiyagula madoda noma ndise ICU ndixeleleni nje indaba ezimnandi ngobethwa kweChiefs qha.
Mfethu awungitshele kahle ngempela ubani ukuthumile. Ubani ukuthumile mfethu ngoba ayingeke ndoda. Ubani ukuthumile. Siyaxoxela nje abani siyayixoxela ubani ukuthumile uthunywe ubani. Ngikhiphi igama mfethu. Ngasithemba ngasitshela ngisitshela umuntu ubani ukuthumile. Awukwazi mfethu awukwazi. Ngabe ibona laba bakuthumile bathi wozobhidliza ngapha. Singakubuyisela phela sinqini mfethu ngoba hayibo. Yazi the day usayina ngajabula mina ngithi finally sisithole left back ephilayo because ngikubonile kwiPirates ngikubonile yabona every game babejwayela upost ama heat map hami ngabiza kahle but iPirates bimtracker lo mjitha ubone ukuthi he is everywhere shawonke ulayini kodwa la kwiChiefs akekho kulimita mfethu mina as far as I'm concerned ngesifike sikubona udlala kanje sikulandele uthi uzodlala into oyidlala lapha but cha asikulimit mfethu angazi kwenzakalani ngawo mfethu I hope you improve
we hlekani ngiyanikhulula hlekani hayi nami niyahleka yikho phela into nje awu wena Orbit College ayidlali na kanjena bese ngesilungu nje kwiCasric we ayihlekani hayibo ngeke zange ngiyibonile nje uzushitha for bonke bafike babe inhlama ayingeke hlekani yo ilebhlungu basixelela kakuhle abokhusha ukubona abafune kuyina league bafuna nje ayingeke hlekani hayi akho ndintsha mos sinje kwathini hayi
bayibhuquzisa iChiefs yazo bayinikizisa pha kuhlikihliki team yotolika
Chiefs
lethi ngitshela something ngale game iChiefs ibe nama better chances ukuthi iwine or ikora ama goals kwasho ukuthi ayikho clinical abo Dupree wabonile bewageja iChiefs create more chances kakhulukazi first half nge-first 11 i-difference ke la yini coach if uyabheka i-first 11 yeStellenbosch neChiefs ikhale ngaphansi Stellenbosch pound for pound basho iChiefs ukuthi ingaphezulu yahluleka ukora zaya half time Stellenbosch senzani sahamba sohlala phansi no coach ku Kevin Hunt wahlala labafana wabacoacha wabanika ama tactics abo. After lapho Stellenbosch sihlasele second half yonke zaza kwara 2 goals. Kahle kahle ngasho ukuthi bekuyilokuzana I game of 2 halves. So Stellenbosch bebe clinical baba no coach even ama sub abo abasebenzele. Ithi ngibuye ngapha kwe Chiefs ukuthi ilose big game. Beku 1-1 igame izophela ngo 1-1. Ungabi no coach ukulidela ekutheni ukhiphe midfield yakho okuyona solid lapha ebambe isisu nje. Wakhipha uMaboa Stellenbosch vele besihlasela iChiefs. But ngokuthi bekunoMaboa eswini bekwazi ukuthi enze lama interceptions lawo. Igoli lokugcina leStellenbosch likudlula eswini bekushoda umuntu ezoqhamuka eswini kwafaka uSereno oyikhehla ofakela ukuthi kumele uyodlala kuphi kumele uyodlala kuyidabi eyokhombisa nje ubukhehla lapha eyobuzisa iChiefs. Number 2 babuyise ucele ongamaki ohlezi ekhombe efuna uconductor engenzi lutho. iChiefs ilahle lapho igame kwaba ukuphela nya. I'm not sure bebe mhlambe khona comeback bebe ngayenza but ngalawo badlali nje ama sub Chiefs ayithatha ayiphosa le bekungekho creativity lapho. Nje uyafaka ama forward angakwenzela something.
Ish. Okay, guessing my first video namhlanje izophelela la. Angazi my editor yabo. Into engingayisho bafethu ukuthi coming into the game I was really happy to watch the game because it's a game between the Chiefs and Stellenbosch. It's always entertaining. You can never go wrong between these two. And yeah. I am not laughing there. But my friends, the Chiefs fans, you guys are hilarious. I won't lie. And you guys have a way of just handling it, defeats no win. Because all of the sudden Chiefs is this. Wow, Chiefs is a big team in South Africa. Wara. Once you lose, it's like it's the end of the world. But big ups to you guys because even though you guys crash out all the time about the team, you guys don't do what my fans have been doing to Unemtajela for the past few days. You guys Chiefs fans don't do what Paris fans do to Patrick Tito Maswanganyi, which I don't understand. Pirates fans who don't like Tito Maswanganyi, I will never understand why. Maybe as a Chiefs I'll understand you don't like Tito as a Chiefs, but as a Pirates, uthanda iPirates uyibuka iPirates athi akamthanda uTito indlela adlala ngayo leyo bethi angisoze ngiunderstand bro. But into nje ngisho ukuthi ama fans Chiefs bethi ayahlekisa and I'm starting to feel like they know how to handle defeat more than us. And maybe it's because we are not used to losing any like we used to back then. Pelamanje feel like Paris like losing a game one is like, hey bro, what happened? We are not used to losing right now, so maybe we crash out when we lose. But I'm think the Chiefs like even though they crash out but abathuki muntu bro. So like shout out to them for Lentole. And coming into the game, ngibuke first half, then second half ngibuke Sundowns because I had to hate watch Sundowns looking me ngapra and they let me down ngama final minutes. Yabona nje mfethu team afana no Mazulu bese ethi lo mjito wamaZulu mfethu team yakhe izoba bigger than the big 3 kanjani yo mfethu. Okay, first half mfethu ngizokhuluma nge-first half since I watched the first half ne. I watched the first half and I thought, wow, Chiefs must score like my 3 goals. Like, or second half, they must score more goals. But then as I was watching Sundowns, I was like, we'll be half time and Stellenbosch equalized. I was like, it's tied. It's tied because they've already scored, which means the only team in scored a man is Stellenbosch. And and it's crazy with every time Chiefs in my career, we just know at some point is a cover and they might even lose the game, bro. I don't know why. I honestly feel like the Chiefs yam ding totally back, dog. The Chiefs yam ding totally back, even though it defends the Chiefs is not bad, but I feel like we do totally at defending with Ukwinika, bro. It's set. Totally and Ukwinika, Mplapu Solomons, and maybe Ushinga, because Umako felt to like Nankalang high tech, bro. Even it's like Paris I'm like I'm but I always complain about the high tech mark, So that's all I can say. It can be if first half you're gonna be but I really enjoyed it. But I second half I didn't watch it. And I was watching Sundowns. that annoying, frustrating team ebizwa nge-Sundowns mfethu. That team iyangigulisa nigga mfethu. Why you guys just can't drop points? Drop my points, nigga. It's not hard. It's not hard to okay. Anyways, Bafetu, thank you for tuning in, Bafetu. Thank you for subscribing, watching, liking, commenting. Shout out to everybody, Bafetu, please commenter. You guys, I wanna manage. I'm starting to feel like I was saying it's kind of like a mini community nyana of our fans where we can just talk and get ball. Even though I'm not engage as much as I want to with abantu abakomenta kuma video it's because like I don't have time, but like I barely have time. So at this cut time and then my channel ikhula like ngizoqala like ngicommunicate kakhulu nabantu abasupport i-channel yami and there's a like kuningi mfethu engikufisayo for this channel and lokho mfethu kungenzeka with the support yenu mafethu and please guys keep watching, keep supporting, and then ningixolele if you guys feel like I'm all over the place. This because I don't script anything, yabo. I just come here, press record, and just talk whatever comes to my mind, yabo. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on Saturday in Get Derby. Yeah, I'll see you guys Saturday in Salihal.